Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add your Buy Me a Coffee page to your YouTube channel. This is going to be a very easy video to watch, so make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video useful. I have just logged into my Buy Me a Coffee page, and as you can see, this is your main page, but what you're going to do is after you edit it and make it to your custom liking, you'll simply go to the dashboard. After that, as you can see, well, right here, you're going to see this button which says Share Page, and you're going to copy this link. After that, you're going to go to your YouTube channel, and then from here, you're going to go to View Your Channel, and then customize your channel. After that, once you're in the customization, scroll all the way down until you see the links. And from here, you're going to add a link, and then you'll say, buy me a coffee. And then you're going to enter the URL and paste it right here. Once you do that, you're going to click publish, and you can move it up or down. If you move it to the top, it will show the full name, but if you move it down, it will only show the logo. So we'll move it to the top, and then from here, once we go to the channel again, as you can see right here, buy me a coffee page, it's right there. Click on it and you'll direct to you right there. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.